Okay, now that you have disconnected everything from the valve here, now we're ready to remove the dishwasher. Oh, one other thing. When you're disconnecting, always have an extra pan to catch any excess water that comes out of the valve or out of the hoses. Now we're ready. You lift up the handle here and it slides out. Just like push it on linoleum floor. And here we have the 3 cables. We got the water, we got the drain, and then we have the plug. So remove those. Oh, and then we get an extra brush that pops out with it, but that's okay. So now we've got this one out of the way. Slide it over here, and we'll be ready to install the other dishwasher. To install this other dishwasher, it's pretty much the same process. We're going to put this in the wall, but before you do that, if you notice, everything over here comes out the side because there's a hole in the cabinet which all of this feeds into. So we're going to take these and feed it through the side here. Same thing with the plug and our water source. Where's the hole? Oh, there it is. Alright, so we got this, we got these. Now we're ready to install the new dishwasher, or in this case, the old dishwasher. So you pick it up like this, maneuver it into place, and then what we'll do, and if you notice on top here, these little clips right here, this is where those screws go. They need to be installed so that when you open the door on the dishwasher, the whole thing doesn't fall out of the wall. Alright?